Hi everyone, today we will show you how to upcycle and redesign a favorite piece, which in this case I've got a denim jacket. Hi, my name is Juliana from One Gift World, where we help you to choose conscious unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories. We're also involved in slow fashion, and in this case we are involved in upstyling, restyling, upcycling or recycling or reusing. So if you are new and passionate about high fashion that cares, please subscribe today. For today's show, I have chosen this beautiful jacket. If you can see all of it, yeah. It's a jacket that I have found it into the op shops for the purpose of upcycling and restyling and repurposing or reusing. So it's one from, it's called Nevada News Jeans Wear, right? And it's made in Hong Kong. So it's really beautiful. It's got these beautiful trimmings which are just above the pockets. So this beautiful tribal trimming is also on to the end of the sleeves, which is also into the back and front hem. So here, so we've got a few colors in here that are involved. We've got pink and red shades. We've got the blue shades. We've got the white, and we also have got the denim, which is something between or combined gray, dark olive, and blue, something in combination. So what I wanted from this jacket, well, I must say this was a rare, fine, beautiful jacket. What I wanted from this jacket is to change it a little bit. So I have done this project in collaboration with a designer which has got a channel which is called Denim Collection. So I've asked this lady to do something because I don't know how to sew with a machine. So on the back side, that's what we've done with this lady. She changed this part which she has put this beautiful lace onto the back, and I'm so happy, I'm so excited about it. It just takes this jacket to the very next level, because this jacket, the color of this jacket is somewhat between gray and olive and blue. This silver of these flowers goes perfectly. So what I want to do is I want to give it to my own spin. Okay, so for this I have got some flowers. So these flowers, there's some leftovers from some leftovers, and some, of course, some more from my leftover projects. And I've got this as well, which are white flowers, so you can go with this design. These are denim color flowers. So, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just apply a little bit of glue, cold heated glue, just a tiny bit, so I can attach in certain places, not in all of it, but in certain places that it won't look on the other side. So this is the design that I've just finished. And remember that these denim jeans, I've just restarted or redesigned it, but this part in here is been done by my collaborator Denim. The other thing that I'm going to show you today is this jacket, or the second jacket that I'm going to show you to what to do with it. So this is another jacket. It's a beautiful jacket. This is my jacket. It's really gorgeous. I really love it now with the time. This jacket doesn't fit me anymore, so it's a bit tight on my shoulders. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in here to make room for my shoulders on both sides. And I'm going to do something in here. I'm going to also will use a piece of denim to do something in here. So let me start first of all with cutting. So for today I'll use a piece of denim. I will use definitely scissors, and I will use my what do you call it? My pin, sorry, my needle, and some cotton thread. Please stay humble and wonderful. So this is the latest change to this jacket, which we cut it, and we cut the sleeves a little bit on the shoulder in order to make room for my shoulders, and also we have just put together some interesting flowers on the shoulders in order to recycle a few things, which are these bits and these bits. So this is how it looked like, and you'll see my photo as well. Thanks so much again. Please stay humble and wonderful.